morning, grade 3 students. I hope you are all safe at home. Okay, so today we are going to see something new. We are going to see what is singular and plural. I think you would have learned this in your lower class. So what is the meaning of singular? Very good. So before we move on to a class, now let us see this. Now how many markers ma'am has? Very good. So it's one marker. So now how many ma'am has? Very good. So it's 1, 2 and 3. It's more than 1. So I have 3 markers. So it's lots. I have lots of markers. I have 3 markers. Very good. So now how many books ma'am has? Very good. So it's 1 book. And now how many do I have? Excellent. So I have now 2 books. It's more than 1. So singular means it is only one object. So plural means it's more than 2. So singular means it's only 1 and plural means it's 2, 3, 4, more than 1 object. So far we have been seeing only the rules of S. So when we add S, in lower class we study only this most of the time. So actually there are 6 rules here. So there are 6 rules in singular and plural. So the first one we see, in most of the nouns we use the word S. We add the word S to a noun to make it plural, which means to make it more. So now for example, ball means we add a S and it becomes balls. So ball and balls. Ball means 1. When we add a S, what happens? It becomes plural, which means it becomes more than 1. So it becomes balls. The second rule is we are going to see something new. The use of ES. So when we are going to add ES. So when the word ends with X or S or SH or CH. So when the word ends with X, S, SH, CH. So we add ES to those words to make it plural form. Now for example, this is bush. B-U-S-H. Can you see the word ending with SH? What did we do? We added this ES. So we added ES to make it the plural form. So bush means only one bush. I know you know very well what is a bush because we learnt in Mala's lesson, right? Yes, so bush means it is only one bush. When we add ES, it becomes the plural form, which means lots of bushes are there. Then bus. You don't know what's a bus? So see the word ending with S? Yes. So bus means only one. And when we add this ES, it becomes buses. Buses means more buses are there. And the next one, the third rule is we are going to see the word ending with F. Any word that ends with F or FE. F or FE. We add VES. So what we add here? When a word ends with F or FE, we add VES. For example, now you see here, it is leaf. You know what's a leaf, right? Yes. So leaf. The word is ending with, very good, F. So what did we add here? We added VES. This VES, which means leaves. That means lots of leaves. The second one you see, life. You know what's a life now? We all are living a life now. So it's life is ending with F and E. Then we add VES. So when the word ends with F and FE, we add VES. And the next one, the fourth rule is when a word ends with Y. So when a word ends with Y, what did we use? We use IES. We have to remove the Y and add IES. So long we have been adding and removing like that. We have to remove y here and add ies. For example, body, body, body. Can you see the word ending with y? And we removed it and used ies, which means bodies. The next is bunny, bunny. The word is ending with y. So we use ies. So these are the first 4 rules. So we see most of the common nouns we use. Very good. We use s. Okay. Like ball, balls, bat, bats, book, books. Commonly we use the word s to make it the plural form. And the second rule is when a word ends with x, s, sh, ch, we use es. We use the word es. Now say bush. It's ending in sh, no? So we added es to make it a plural form. So when the word ends with x, s, sh, ch, we use es. And the next one we see when a word ends with f and fv, what do we use? Very good. We use ves. Why do we use ves? Excellent. To make it a plural form. To make it many in number. So when the word ends with f and fv, we use ves. And last, when the word ends with y, the fourth rule, when the word ends with y, we use ies. We delete the y and we add ies. Like body, we add ies to make it bodies. Okay. So singular and plural. Now apart from this, there are another 2 more rules. Okay. So we have seen 6 rules, no? Totally. Yes. So that there is another 2 more. So the 5th one will be some change completely. Some change completely. So now I will take another marker. It's not writing properly. Some change completely. How do it change? Now, for example, you say mouse. I know what's a mouse. No, we know what's a mouse. Yeah, a small rat. So mouse, what we use? Mice. M-I-C-E, mice. For mouse is the singular and mice is the plural form. So mouse we write mice. You saw the entire word is changed. So some change completely. And this is our 5th rule. And for another one, foot. We write feet. So this is also a full change. So some words change completely to make a plural form. For mouse, we may write mice. For foot, we write feet. So you see there is a full change. And the last one is some do not change. So some do not change. They remain the same. Like deer in singular form, deer in plural form. You know, deer in singular form and deer in plural form. Another one is aircraft. Aircraft here and aircraft there. You see the same remains in singular and plural. So what are the last 2 rules we saw? We saw that some change completely, fully they change over. Like mouse and mice and foot and feet. There's a full change. There's no adding of IES or VES and all that. So it changes fully. And the 6th, the last one, the last rule is and some do not change. They remain the same in singular and they remain the same in plural. Like deer and deer. Okay. I hope it's clear with you. So today's homework will be page number 10. Okay, page number 10. You have to complete 2, 3 and 4. Exercise number 2, 3 and 4 on page number 10, and take a pic and send it to ma'am today evening before 7 p.m. Okay, so all of you stay home, be safe, eat healthy fruits, keep washing your hands, don't go out unnecessarily. And your GK question. Okay, so a person who washes clothes, so what are they called as? A person who washes clothes, what are they called as? Okay, in the next class you should tell me the answer. Take care students. Bye.